Welcome, everyone. In this video, we'll give you a short tutorial on how to efficiently review answers using focus mode in Documine. Documine is an AI engine that eliminates the tedious task of manually searching through large volumes of documents. It allows you to ask specific questions to receive precise answers. Documine automatically suggests answers to your questions and provides references to the source. Once Documine processes your documents, it's time to start reviewing. On the left side, you'll see your questions. At the top, you'll see the names of the documents you selected. Below them, the grid contains all the answers Documine has generated for you. To help you focus on what's important, we created Focus Mode. Focus Mode is a simplified interface where you can review one answer at a time. On the left, you'll see the question, the answer, and a reference to the source. On the right, the document viewer provides additional context if you need to further investigate the document to form your conclusion. Now, let's see Focus Mode in action. Start by reviewing an answer. If it fully addresses the question and appears accurate, click Approve. If the answer is incorrect, click Reject. If the answer cell is empty, Focus Mode will skip the question. Empty cell usually means the answer isn't in the document. We still recommend checking the document to be sure. And because everyone loves shortcuts, we created shortcuts for your reviews. Here's how you can speed things up. Use V to approve answers, X to reject answers, and the arrow keys to navigate between answers. In short, Focus Mode helps you work faster and smarter by simplifying the review process and keep you in focus. Thank you for watching this short tutorial on Focus Mode. Check out our knowledge base to learn more. Happy snipping!